Good day, everyone. My topic for today is smart cities, how technology is transforming urban life in the Philippines. Have you ever imagined living in a city that anticipates your needs, optimize resources in real time, and turn everyday challenges into opportunities for innovation? The Philippines, a nation celebrated for its vibrant culture and resilient spirit, is now embracing a groundbreaking chapter in its urban evolution. The rise of smart cities. At its core, a smart city is not merely a cluster of high-tech infrastructure but a dynamic ecosystem where data, connectivity, and human ingenuity converge to enhance quality of life. From Manila bustling street to Cebu's thriving hub, technology is quickly reshaping how we navigate traffic, manage waste, and access public services. Imagine sensors that predict floods before they occur, apps that streamline jeepney routes, or solar grids powering entire barangay sustainably. These innovations are not distant dreams. They're unfolding here driven by partnership between government, business, and communities. The Philippines' journey towards smart urbanization reflects a delicate balance, honoring our rich tradition while harnessing cutting-edge tools to build inclusive, efficient, and future-ready cities. Consider the daily commute a universal experience for many professionals here. Smart traffic system and Metro Manila now use AI to ease congestion, turning what was once a 2-hour gridlock in a smoother, predictable journey. Or think of Bayanihan Image apps like Grab and Angkas connect drivers and passengers, seamlessly in embodying our communal spirit through digital collaboration. In healthcare, telemedicine platform bridge gaps for families in remote areas, ensuring doctors in Manila can consult with patients in Mindanao via a smartphone. Even local governments are innovating. Iloilo LGU portal allows citizens to pay taxes or report issues online, saving time and reducing paperwork. As we stand at this crossroads of innovation, let's remember a smart city is only as strong as the people who shape it. The solar panels lighting our street, the apps simplifying our errands, and the data guiding our policies are tools, not solution in themselves. True transformation begins when we ask, how can we ensure this advancement uplift everyone from market vendors, corporate leaders? The answer lies in collaboration. Let's champion initiatives that prioritize accessibility, sustainability, and equity, ensuring no Filipino is left behind in this digital leap. Reflect on this long after today technologies become obsolete. The legacy we build will ensure true communities we empowered. So as we imagine our cities, let's also rekindle our shared commitment to progress, one where technology doesn't overshadow humanity but become its greatest ally. After all, the heartbeat of a smart city, it is Wi-Fi signal. It's the collective force of its people dreaming badly and moving forward together. That's all. Thank you.